Peppa Goes Boating. Peppa and her family have come to the lake to go boating. Boats, boats, get your boats here, calls Miss Rabbit. I've got canoes, says Miss Rabbit.
Says Daddy Pig. Paddling a canoe is hard work.
I've got sailing boats, says Miss Rabbit. Daddy Pig isn't sure. Sailing a sailing boat is a bit tricky. The pedalos look nice and relaxing, smiles Mummy Pig.
Yes, agrees Daddy Pig. They've got a big paddle wheel to make them go.
Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Peppa and George all climb into a pedalo. You have to pedal, Miss Rabbit tells them. Enjoy your boat trip.
Off we go,
shouts Daddy Pig. Peppa and George giggle. It's like a bicycle on the water. Emily Elephant and her family arrive.
Hello, Miss Rabbit, says Mr. Elephant. We'd like a canoe, please.
Certainly, says Miss Rabbit.
Ahoy there, Miss Rabbit.
It's Danny Dog and his dad, Captain Dog. They want to go out in a sailing boat.
Aye, aye, Captain. Dad,
says Danny Dog. We're sailing, shouts Danny. We're canoeing, shouts Emily. We're pedaling, shouts Peppa. Poor Daddy Pig. Pedaling a pedalo is a lot harder than it looks. It is time to stop for lunch. Mummy Pig passes around the sandwiches. Here's some bread for you, Mrs. Duck, grins Peppa. Mrs. Duck likes picnics. Everyone likes picnics. Miss Rabbit rings her bell. Ding dong. Come in, boats 1, 2, and 3, she calls. Your time is up. 1, 2, and 3, says Peppa. That's us. Let's see who can get back first, says Mummy Pig. We'll have a race. Everyone goes as fast as they can.
I'm not sure I can pedal much faster,
puffs Daddy Pig. Captain Dog is lucky. His boat has an engine. We win, cries Danny. Captain Dog cheers.
I'm not a sailor anymore, he says, but I do love boating on the lake.
Yes, says Peppa. We all love boating on the lake.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great summer, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.